Assalamu alaikum. I am Luqman 𝐬𝐲𝐬 and this is �شيخي Academy. In today's episode, inshallah, we will know the different shapes of the lam when it followed by the letter Alif, which named as Lam Alif, but this name is not accurate. We will know all details in this episode, inshallah. So, stay tuned.
�شيخي Academy.
This is just to remind you that we are explaining using Al-Minhaj book, the official book of �شيخي Academy. We have a note today with the lam when it's joined to the letter Alif. Okay? Some people call it Lam Alif, but this calling is not accurate. Why it's not accurate? Because we don't have a letter that called Lam Alif, but because Al Alif it doesn't come at the end of the word, so they need a letter before to be able to pronounce it. So they choose letter Lam, but actually there is no letter called Lam Alif. Okay, so let's see this point. What is the note of lam when it comes before a letter lam, a letter alif? Okay, this is the point. When lam is followed by alif, alif curves a bit as follows. Okay, this is a lam and this is alif after it. It will be like this shape or this shape. Okay, so what is that shape? This shape is lam followed by alif. What is that shape? This is lam followed by alif. Seriously? Yes. Okay. So if we put these forms as we know, the isolated initial, middle and final, we can put isolated like this, lam plus alif. What will happen in the initial form? It will be like this or like this. So the initial form when a lam followed by alif, it will take one of these two shapes in the initial form. What about the middle form? This shape comes in the middle form. What about the final form? This shape or this shape. Okay, so all these shapes are the shapes of lam followed by alif. So I want to make this clear because a lot of students when they see this shape or this shape, tell me please, what is that letter? I didn't see that letter before. No, this letter is lam followed by alif, lam followed by alif, lam followed by alif in the initial form, lam followed by alif in the middle form, lam followed by alif in the final form, lam followed by alif in the final form. Okay, so please don't forget that. And I want also to say here that the different shape of lam alif is the end of the word based on the different types of fonts. As we can see, lam alif has different shapes in the final form and in the initial forms. So whether you can use this shape and you can use this shape. You can use this shape, you can use this shape for the final forms. Because these different forms, just because the different type of fonts. Okay, if you open Word document and you see you write lam with alif and try to change and see different fonts, you will see these shapes. But not because depending on certain case or certain situation we use different form. No, whatever you like it, whatever you love it, use it. Okay, our rule with the different shapes due to different types of fonts. Okay, let's now take examples to make it more clear. The initial form, this is the word lana. This is the example of lam followed by alif in the initial form. In the middle form, the word salam. The final form mathalan. So these are the examples and how lam followed by alif will look in all forms, initial, middle and final. So if you don't still understand any point, feel free to Let me know in the comment section below. Inshallah, in the next episode we'll continue the remaining letters. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. Now we came to the end of this episode. So if you want to follow up the next episodes, consider subscribing. Also, if you want a qualified Quran tutor, whether for yourself or your kids, we are providing online Quran classes. Don't forget to check out our app. See you inshallah in the next episode. Assalamu alaikum.
Shaykhi Academy. Learn and enjoy.